Decimals, an introduction. Decimal numbers are in two parts. The first part, before the decimal point, is the whole number part. After the decimal point is a small extra part which is always less than one whole unit. For example, 3.6. 3 by itself would be a whole number, but 0.6 is a small extra part. This makes the decimal number, 3.6, bigger than 3, but less than 4. We need to know what the digits mean in a decimal number, and there's a decimal place value video to explain that. In this video, we explain what decimals are and where you might use them. Let's take measuring as the first example. Using the metric system to measure, here is a pencil showing that it is exactly 5 centimetres long. This second pencil is slightly longer than the first, but not as long as 6 centimetres. Look at this one against the ruler. Each centimetre is shown divided into 10 equal parts, so each of these subdivisions is 1/10 of a centimetre long. This pencil measures 5 centimetres and an extra 7/10 of a centimetre. We write this as 5.7 centimetres, where the whole number, 5, shows the centimetres, and 0.7 shows how many extra tenths of a centimetre there are. These small subdivisions of a tenth are called millimetres, so there are 10 millimetres in every centimetre. A second example relates to money. We all use money, so can easily understand decimals in this way, because there are 100 pence in a pound. You know that £4.23 means £4 and 23p. To think of it in columns, it's like this. This is a column of whole pounds. Here's the decimal point. The first place after the decimal point here is for tenths of a pound, that is 10p pieces. There are 2 of them. The second place after the decimal point here is for 1p pieces, that is 1/100ths of a pound. Here it's 3p, which is 3/100ths of a pound. It's worth noticing that the number before the decimal point can in fact be 0. For example, if you have 53p and want to write this expressed in pounds, it is 0.53. The naught is there because there are no whole pounds, only pennies. The same thing can happen with a very small measurement of less than a centimetre. If there's a length of, say, 8/10 of a centimetre, you can write this as 0.8 centimetres. Incidentally, notice that when you say decimals out loud, for example 6.54, you say each digit after the decimal point separately. Here are some more examples. 9.671, 52.03, and lastly 57.57.